Hey everyone, welcome back to Step-by-Step How-To Guides. Today we're going back to the basics with a simple and delicious recipe, homemade pasta. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of making pasta from scratch, and I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Introduction to ingredients and tools. First things first, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need olive oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can crushed tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil or parsley for garnish, grated Parmesan cheese. And for equipment, grab a large pot, a skillet, and a good quality olive oil. And of course, your favorite type of pasta. Step 2. Boiling water and cooking pasta. Start by filling a large pot with water, add a pinch of salt, and bring it to a rolling boil. Once the water is ready, toss in our pasta of choice. I'm using spaghetti. Follow the package instructions for cooking time. Step 3. Preparing the sauce. While the pasta is cooking, let's whip up a quick and tasty tomato sauce. In a skillet, heat a few tablespoons of olive oil. Add finely chopped onions, and once they're translucent, throw in some minced garlic. Now let's pour in a can of crushed tomatoes and season it with salt and pepper. Allow it to simmer and let those flavors meld. Step 4. Combining pasta and sauce. Our pasta is cooked al dente, so let's drain it and set it aside. Now combine the pasta with our delicious tomato sauce in the skillet. Toss everything together, coating the pasta evenly in that rich, flavorful sauce. Cook for an additional couple of minutes to let the pasta soak up those wonderful flavors. Step 5. Garnishing and serving. We're almost there. Off the heat, sprinkle some fresh basil or parsley over the pasta for that extra burst of freshness. And of course, if you're a cheese lover like me, don't forget a generous sprinkle of Parmesan on top. Step 6. Final thoughts and taste test. And there you have it, folks. Homemade pasta that's simple, delicious, and made with love. It's time for the most crucial part, the taste test. Let's dig in. Closing. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Share your pasta making adventures in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!